Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This is something that was sent by WE. I believe it's a new model for 2022, so I'm going to share it with you guys today. If it is available, I will link it right down below. I believe it is. I'll link it right down below so you guys can check it out if you want. It absolutely helps my channel when you use my links, but that is up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Thanks to WE for sending this in for me to take a look at. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I got it out of the main box, but I haven't actually opened it yet. Does it say what it is? The Baloo. Which is kind of putting words on things now. And that, you know, okay, sometimes it sticks. Whatever. Let's find out what it is. Alright, this actually came with the Civivis and Sen cuts that you guys may or may not have seen here recently. It just depends on what order I do these uploads in. But I wanted to separate it and make its own video. Oh, it's purple. Okay. Ooh, okay, yeah, I kind of like that. I mean, it's different. It's not something that's absolutely never been done before as far as the aesthetic, but it is cool. Let's go ahead and front flip it. Yeah, okay, nice big open ergonomic profile. Just kind of plain Jane 3D milled clip, but that works. Like the inlays here, how we've got these not quite flush, intentionally not flush. Looks good. Doesn't look like, you know, some of the subpar carbon fiber that we sometimes get on these knives. This is two-tone. Oh, okay, Ostap held design. Let's take a look here. We get a few different variations. Are they all two-tone? No, we've got one there that's just set, and then, of course, we have a Damasteel one. Where is your... I wish this was a little bit higher. This feels very low. 61 would be okay. I really wish that their target was 60 to 62. But these two-toned ones are all, because of the DLC, a little bit lower. So it's just the satin one that has the higher range. I really wish the minimum range was 60 to 62. But that's not really my area of expertise. It's just something that I comment on when I see it. It does have a nice ergonomic profile. It does have pretty good ease of access to that little. It's kind of tight in there. Everything I'm saying is just like opening up, opening things up for jokes. How do you talk about it? You can't. I mean, you can't. It's impossible. Let's take a look at the inside here real quick. It does not have any internal milling, but it feels really light. Where's the balance? Yeah, it's right there. It's right where you put your index finger. Let's go ahead and weigh it real quick here. Baloo. Where the heck did they get that? That is really random. It feels lighter than that. 4.06 ounces. I was going to guess like 3.5, but okay. Cutting. I want to just kind of feel the edge out here real quick. Yeah, feels pretty good. I mean, I like the purple ano and I like the design of the inlay. Outside of that, it's not doing anything ultra mega super special, but that's just my opinion. It is very, very comfortable to hang on to, and you can definitely get right up under the edge or right behind the edge. I think that I would absolutely prefer the plain one, and that's the one that's going to have the highest potential Rockwell hardness on CPM 20 CV. Silver bead blast. I like that silver bead blast finish. This guy, they've been doing these Damasteel ones here lately, and Damasteel is great. It's going to perform a lot like CPM 154, and it's going to look really cool and have a nice high polish usually. But WE seems to want $300 to $350 extra for that stuff, or at least they have lately. So, it's okay. This one's all right. This isn't my favorite new release. It's not the most amazing thing that they have released here lately, but it is cool. And like I said, I do appreciate the purple. I don't know that there's a whole lot more I can say. I mean, this is not a review. It's just an unboxing and first impressions. Carry this for a bit, and then give you guys my thoughts and a full comprehensive review a few weeks down the road. Yeah, it's very ergonomic. I do appreciate that. And it is pretty easy to manipulate as a front flipper. It's also It's a little smoother than what I'm used to getting out of the box with WE. I mean, I'm not saying the action's bad out of the box. What I'm saying is that they tend to be a little bit tight and then they have like a break-in period, which is honestly preferable. I don't think this video needs to be any more than it currently is. Like I said, if this is available, excuse me, I will link it right down below so you guys can check it out. Thanks again for WE, to WE for sending it in. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.